In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Fortnite on Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you select Play on Fortnite through Xbox Cloud Gaming and you proceed, you will be prompted to link a Fortnite or an Epic Games account to Xbox. As you can see, as soon as this loads and we connect to Fortnite, it's going to ask us to link an account. If, after we're done playing, we want to unlink this account, what we have to do in order to properly remove it is to go over to the Epic Games website at store.epicgames.com. In here, log into the Epic Games account that you are trying to unlink. Hover over your name at the top right corner of the screen and select Account. You will be redirected to your account settings, where you can go into Apps and Accounts. Switch over to Accounts, and from here, remove the Xbox link. As you can see, mine is already removed, and after you are done removing, it will be properly unlinked from Fortnite on Xbox Cloud Gaming. You will be able to link a new account as you wish, or play without linking. As long as you remove it through the account page on epicgames.com, you will be able to have it successfully removed. If you wish to properly sign out of Xbox Cloud Gaming as well, simply click on your icon at the top right corner of the screen and choose Sign Out at the website. Both your Fortnite and your Xbox Cloud Gaming account will be signed out. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of Fortnite on Xbox Cloud Gaming. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.